Hi guys. Let's start with photo sites. There are sites free images. 1. Flickr. Source of free images. This site offers 8 categories of licenses. Free photos are available without crediting the creator. 2. Unsplash. Source of images to use for digital projects. You can subscribe to receive 10 new images every 10 days. These images are licensed CC0, can be used for personal or commercial purposes. 3. StockSnap. His images are royalty-free. You can download trendy and most popular photos. Also, these images have the license CC0, so usable freely. StockSnap wants to create an art-sharing community worldwide. 4. Pixabay. The first site royalty-free photo. With its 420,000 images or more, Pixabay is strongly advised. These images are free of rights for personal and commercial use. 5. Snapwire Snaps. Source of free images that you can follow on Tumblr. These images are attached to a CC0 license. 6. Pexels. A collection of more than 2,700 free photos. The photos are under license CC0, so for unlimited use. 7. Death at the Stock Photo. One of the most popular resources. There are 2 types, free and paid at $15 a month. That's all for today. See you in another video.